This is the High Energy Photonics Center, a first, fully digital production site and a lighthouse project for smart manufacturing in medical technology. Digital from day one, a twin of the factory, connected to every machine, every process. Planning, construction and operations interlock for greater transparency and agility. 69,000 square meters of space, 800 jobs, and operations that avoid around 11,000 tons of CO2 every year. Photovoltaics and heat recovery make us almost climate neutral. This is where key components for imaging are created. High-performance X-ray tubes and generators, the heart of our successful systems. Research, development and production under one roof. Why does this matter? Because we are growing sustainably. Digitalization reduces resource consumption, secures supply chains and accelerates innovation. Automation takes center stage. Flexible cobots, robotics, sensor technology, all connected through a new data architecture. AI-driven platforms make processes faster, safer, more transparent. Every part is traceable, all the way to performance in the hospital. Real-time data flows back into development. Virtual improvements become reality. This is how we create solutions that give physicians worldwide precision for better diagnoses and better care. Here, people and machines work hand in hand. AI supports, relieves, and expands what is possible. A culture of learning and innovation.